Clark Oakland Clothing is marketed as a locally inspired fashion boutique connected to Oakland style and culture. But the real question is it actually a genuine local clothing brand or another online store using local boutique branding for marketing? Now, to be fair, the website itself looks professionally built and follows the same modern e-commerce style used by many online fashion boutiques. It presents a polished brand image with curated clothing collections and lifestyle-focused marketing. What it does well: the branding feels strongly local. The store heavily leans into Oakland identity, urban fashion aesthetics, and community-inspired storytelling, which helps create the impression of a hometown boutique brand. The site looks professionally designed. Compared to obvious scam websites, Clark Oakland Clothing appears visually polished with product pages, policies, and standard e-commerce features. Where it raises concerns: there is little proof of a true local Oakland presence. This is the biggest issue. Many online stores today use city-based branding like Oakland, Melbourne, or London to appear authentic and community-rooted even when the products are sourced overseas. No strong evidence of local manufacturing. There's usually a major difference between a brand inspired by a city and an actually local clothing company that designs or manufactures locally. The site resembles dropshipping-style boutiques. The overall layout, heavy discounting, and boutique storytelling strongly resemble many e-commerce stores that rely on overseas suppliers and aggressive social media marketing. So, is Clark Oakland Clothing actually local? Short answer: probably local-inspired branding more than a truly local fashion label. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.